Hello everyone, welcome back to MITECKEE. Today in this video we're gonna cover up the crop and rotate tool inside Movavi. In this video we're gonna cover up the crop tool, the rotate tool, how to straighten your videos and how to fix the portrait videos. So let's begin the video. So we are inside Movavi and there is a problem which many people face of rotating because the video they have captured is not at the right angle. So what most of the people do is they go to crop and rotate, and here in the angle, first let me select the video, and here in the angle they play with the slider, but it only increased to 45 degrees, and you can see the problem is also not fixed. And when they hit apply, the video is also zoomed because this is not the rotate tool, this is the straighten tool. So rotating is quite easy. Just hit this button icon and the video will be rotated. Just hit it a few times and it will be rotated the way you want, because it rotates it to 90 degrees. And it doesn't matter which type of video it is. If you have captured portrait and you wanted it landscape, or you have captured it landscape and you wanted it portrait, it fixes them all. Like here also, it is a portrait video but I captured it landscape just to demonstrate you. So the next thing is the crop tool. So let's go to the crop tool first, and we are inside the crop tool. So the lines you can see which are here, everything which is inside it will be cropped. But what if you want to remove that effect or any effect, not just the crop, any effect? Can you see that star button icon on your video right here? Yes, click on it and you will be good to the applied effects, and just cancel or delete the effect which you don't want. Now how to straighten your videos? Yes, this slider will help. Like here I have straightened it a bit, and let's just hit apply. You can see the edges are not looking so good. Yes, it is straightened but it don't looks good that much because of the edge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just using the crop tool, we're gonna just zoom in a bit or crop the video a bit just to make it look good, and the video will be also straightened. Hit apply and it is done. Here the straighten tool doesn't need it, but just to demonstrate you I have done it. So the main thing many people of you have come is, many of you have captured a portrait video, and that portrait video when played on a big screen like on a landscape, on mobile it is really looks good, but for a landscape view it doesn't look good. As you can see, like here there is empty space which doesn't feel so good. So what we gonna do is we gonna fill it. Yes, this empty space we're gonna fill it, actually fix it. First let's create another video track onto which we gonna copy this video and then pasting it. Just don't paste it right in between the clip, because if you do, the video will be split in two parts. So take your cursor to the very end and then paste it, then place it above it. And for now I'm going to disable the view or disable this video just to show or see what is going beneath the layer. So we're gonna fix it with the crop tool. As you can see here, just don't play with the crop tool right now. The settings which are right now, it is to fill up your screen. Just take the whichever part you want and hit apply. I'm taking this part which looks good for me, and okay, now this is good. So enable the above layer. As you can see, the black part has been filled, and this is how you can fix it. But we're gonna go a little further and make it a little popped out by applying an effect like the blur. Here I am using the intense blur. You can just put any other filters or effects which you want, but just to make it more popped out, we want the colors and the video to really grab the attention of the viewers. So what we gonna do? First thing, I have put the blur. Second, what we gonna do is, just to make the above layer good, we gonna degrade the beneath layer by decreasing the saturation and decreasing the exposure too. So here, let's, in the colors adjustments, in advanced section we gonna do this, and here you can see I'm decreasing the exposure and saturation, and you can see the video which we wanted to grab the attention is really now popped up. This is Mickey from MITECKEE. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.